Today's math lesson, lesson 13, is the objective is to multiply a unit fraction by a unit fraction and to use a rectangular picture model to represent it. A unit fraction is any fraction with a numerator of 1 and a denominator of a positive whole number. We're going to do number 2 from their yellow book homework. Noah mows 1/2 of his property and leaves the rest wild. He decides to use 1/5 of the wild for a vegetable garden. What fraction of the property is used for the garden? Draw a picture to support your answer. Well, if this rectangle is Noah's property, half of it he mows. So we will shade that in, and we will represent that as 1/2. Of the rest that is wild, which is right here, this is the wild area. 1/5 of that he's going to use for a vegetable garden. So if we're going to do fifths, then we're going to need to divide this into fifths. So 1/5 of that would be this area that's shaded in black. That will represent 1/5, which is also the V, the vegetable garden here. That will be this right here, this area, this shaded area right here. Okay, so that's how you do the model. Mathematically, with an equation, you're really doing 1/2 of 1/5, or 1/5 of 1/2 is really what you're doing. 1/5 of 1/2 that's really what you're doing. Both of these answers are going to get top times top, bottom times bottom, 1/10. Remember, of really means multiply. Of really means multiply. Okay? Yes. So the final answer is the vegetable garden is 1/10 of his property. So that's how you would do these kind of problems. They have to do an equation like this, and they have to do a model like this for each of these problems.